Alright, so this is 5 kilometers away from Cherrapunji. This called Nohalakai Falls. Nohalakai Falls. It's beautiful, very beautiful. Look at this, amazing. So amazing. And if you see all the way forward at the far end, that flat area, that plain area, you see some water out there. That's all Bangladesh. Yeah, that this part. This is all Bangladesh. It's all Bangladesh. And all this hilly area, this is all India. Beautiful area.